Hello all, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the booting issue with Lenovo Yoga laptops. So, for example, like if the device is not booting and you can see a beep sound and also a LED light which is glowing in the escape key. So this is how we can fix it. So let's open the device. Make sure the device is disconnected from power sources and also any other external peripherals like your mouse or keyboard. You just have to remove it first. So now the screws are removed and now you can open the cover. So here you can see a battery option. So just disconnect this battery from the board. So you can remove this. Once you disconnected this, you have to go back to your device and press the power button here. You have to press the power button and keep on hold for like 30 seconds. So just press and hold it. So do not release until 30 seconds. So just keep on hold. You can even hold even longer. That's okay. This is to make sure all those capacitors are released from the chargers. So yes. So it's almost 30 seconds and let's connect back all those sources. Yeah, so it's connected. And now we can lock it back. So it's always advised to use a gloves, but in this case, it's I'm not using it, so just use a gloves and proper pad when you open the devices, and don't touch any of the electric circuit. So once it is done, now let's try to boot the device back. Let's connect a power source and see if it works. So now the power is now connected. Yeah, so power is up and now let's press the power button and see if the device boots. Yes, so now the device has been booted back and it is functioning. So this is how you can fix this issue. So now you can see the device has been perfectly fine. So this is how you can fix the booting issue with the Lenovo devices, and you can do this with all the model Lenovo Yoga devices. You can do the same. Just disconnect the power source because the battery is inside. You have to open it and remove the battery cable, and then you have to completely discharge the device and just connect it back. And it will completely solve the issues and just boot back. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can create more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.